Hi everyone, there's a definite rain theme running through my recent song choices. First of all, it was Purple Rain by Prince. Yesterday it was I Made It Through the Rain by Barry Manilow. And today it's a Phil Collins song, which was a big hit for him in 1990. I Wish It Would Rain Down. You know I never meant to see you again, but I only passed by as a friend. Yeah. All this time I stayed out of sight. I started wondering why. Now I wish it would rain down on me. Ooh, yes, I wish it would rain down on me now. Ooh, yes, I wish it would rain down on me. Ooh, yes, I wish it would rain on me. You said you didn't need me in your life. Oh, I guess you were right. Yeah. Oh, I never meant to cause you no pain, but it looks like I did it again. Yeah. Now I know I wish it would rain down on me. Ooh, yes, I wish it would rain down on me now. Ooh, girl, I wish it would rain down on me. Ooh, yes, I wish it would rain on me. Though your hurt is gone, mine's hanging on inside. Seeing me through night and day, I'm just waiting on your side. Now I know, I wish it would rain down on me. Ooh, you know I wish it would rain down on me now. Yes, I wish it would rain down